Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a glamorous smoky eye look with a pop of sparkle in the middle. I wanted to do a New Year's Eve inspired look because it's almost that time of the year. And let me just start this video by saying that I wish you all an incredible new year. I want to say thank you for all your support. Every time you watch a video for me, that just supports my work. So I really appreciate it. And yeah, I just wish you all an incredible 2022. Now, before I go in with any eyeshadow, first, of course, I primed my eyelids and then I used a gel eyeliner. And I started applying a little bit of that at the outer corner of the eye and in the inner corner. Just smudging it out and then connecting like both parts in my crease. And what I really like to do is whenever I do this, to apply most product like where I started, and then with whatever's left on my brush, I'm gonna start blending the edges because you don't want just as much product around the edges as you have like where I first applied the product. You want the edges to be a little bit more smoother, just as how it would look with eyeshadow. And the reason why I'm going in with a gel eyeliner instead of like using a black eyeshadow is because using a gel eyeliner underneath black eyeshadow is gonna make it look more darker. So that's the reason why I did this, and also I feel like it makes it a bit more long wearing because the gel eyeliner just stays better in place. So yeah, that's my trick. So I'm just focusing on making the corners look nicely smudged out so I don't have any harsh lines left anymore. Then after this I went in with a black eyeshadow. You can use any eyeshadow that you have at home, just make sure that it's like a matte black color, and then apply it right on top of where you just applied the gel eyeliner. So I'm just gonna kind of pack it on, and then with whatever's left on my brush, kind of blending it more towards the crease, just like I did with the gel eyeliner. And you can apply as much layers of the black eyeshadow as you like. You can make it as dark as you want. I feel like because I'm in my studio room and I have lightnings like faced on my face, it makes the smoky eye look a little bit lighter as it is in real life. In real life it was super black, but because of my studio lights it always makes everything look a little bit lighter. For example, my skin tone is a little bit darker than what you see in this video, so just keep that in mind. So I just keep adding black eyeshadow and blending around the edges to make sure that everything looks nicely blended out. I'm just gonna keep it like this. You could go in with like a brown color or actually any color you like and blend that around the edges as well to give the whole smoky eye like a different color undertone. But I wanted to stick to the black eyeshadow because I have done a lot of colorful smoky eyes. So for today's look I just wanted to just do like a black smoky eye with a silver sparkle in the center. So I just took a tinier brush, focused a little bit more on the inner corner, so the black eyeshadow is like nicely applied everywhere and you can't really see like any skin anymore, except for like that center that you can see that has no product yet. But I just decided to keep it like this because I am gonna go on top of it with a different color, so it's gonna cover it up anyway. So I used a silvery shimmery color, and if you're gonna recreate this makeup look, I would highly suggest to do like a silvery color that has as much sparkle or glitter in it, because that's gonna help with the end result to make it look as nice as possible. So I'm just gonna apply it only like in the center, and then you can go in with a brush and kind of make the edges a little bit more softer, because you can see it's really packed on at this moment. So I did that off camera. My camera wasn't recording, super annoying, but I just blended a clean brush around the edges and that will make everything better. Then on top of that, I went in with a liquid glitter eyeshadow. I will put all the products I'm using today in the description bar. If you don't have a product like this, you can also use some like glitter glue and pop some glitters in the center. That will be really beautiful as well. I'm using a glitter liquid eyeshadow, which is just easier, but using like a glitter in comparison with a glitter glue will look really beautiful as well. I just feel like using like a liquid eyeshadow works so much quicker, and of course that's just really nice. If you can save some time, of course that's always nice. So now I went in with a liquid eyeliner. This one is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's their liquid eyeliner and it's super black. It has a really nice matte finish, which I really like, and I just did only like a simple line above the lash line. Then for my waterline, I use the Makeup by Mario black pencil, which is my current favorite black pencil. It's just super nice, super black, and I feel like it stays in place really nicely. Then again, I went back in with the black eyeshadow that I used earlier, using a super tiny brush from Suiva and applying the black eyeshadow right underneath the lower lash line as well. So I'm just trying to press it as close as possible against my waterline, so the black pencil in my waterline and the black eyeshadow that I'm applying right now will kind of connect together, and you will not see like any skin in between. So I'm trying to apply as much as I can. Then to blend it out, I went in with that silvery color, which I used in the center of the eyelid earlier, and just applying this all the way underneath the lower lash line to make everything look nicely blended out. And like I said earlier, you can also go in with like a brown color or like a blue or green, any color that you like, and that will give like a total different twist to this makeup look. But I'm just keeping it all on the cool side today. So I just continue to blend until I'm satisfied with how everything is looking. I really like to take my time to make sure that everything just looks nicely blended out. Then I used a lash curler. I always do this before applying mascara, and for my mascara I use the Sky High mascara from Maybelline, which is my personal favorite. And then I popped on some lashes. I used the Mavenbeauty lashes in the style number 12. Really beautiful lashes, and I just popped them on. This eye look would be really beautiful with mascara only, but since this is like a party makeup look for New Year's Eve or any occasion you want to wear it for, I feel like lashes definitely finish off this whole makeup look and just make it look even more glamorous. And then here you have the finished result. I really hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel. And yeah, I just hope you like the end results. And yeah, I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different.